Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today I'm going to answer one of the main questions that everybody asks me, and that is, are Casetify cases really worth it? Now the simple answer to that question is yes, they're worth every penny. And I'm going to prove it. Now I got two different cases I want to talk about, and these are cases that I use every day in the real world. Okay, not just for YouTube videos, but in my personal life. First up, we got the Casetify bounce case. Now, you already seen me do a full review on this. I'll leave a link for that up in the description. This is the case that I use when I'm doing anything outdoor and there's a chance that my phone could get damaged. You're going to see the bounce case on my phone. All right, so if I'm riding my bike, you see I got the strap on it. If I'm doing construction, if I'm washing my cars, if I'm working outside in the park, this is the number one case that I use for maximum protection. Now, if you want to know why do I put so much confidence in this case, take a look at these drop test videos that I already did. All right, now I'm not going to waste your time doing some crazy drop the phone off the roof kind of test, because let's be honest, when's the last time you dropped your phone off of a roof? I'm going to show y'all three different ways that I drop my phone. Number one, jumping out of the car. Okay, so I jump out of the car, got the phone in my hand, I go to reach and put it in my pocket, and it drops. Just pick it up. No damage at all. All right, so here's another way that I accidentally dropped my phone, just standing around outside, and I might just slip out of my hands. Just like that. Okay, let's see the back. No damage. No damage on the front. Still looks brand new. Now, this is the number one way that I drop my phone. I'm sitting at a restaurant, and I just happen to knock the phone off the table by accident. Okay, let's pick it up. No damage at all. Let's try that one more time. Okay, so you're being fat, enjoying some coffee and donuts. Go to put the phone on the table, drops just like that. No damage at all. Let's check that display. Beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna do one more test. The nightmare scenario. You drop your phone down the stairs. Now this is my Thanos iPhone. Let's do it. Oh, I dropped my phone. Oh. Let's see. No damage. You seen the shock absorption? Let's check the display. No damage at all. All right, so you've seen the video for yourself. This is what you call maximum protection. This case is worth every penny. And also, I'm using a camera lens protection. I got a tempered glass screen protector on. So that means if I take this case off, wipe down the phone a little bit, my phone still looks brand new. Now I got one more case I want to show you how. All right, so next up, I'm going to show you my favorite Casetify case, and this is the case that I use the most in the real world, the clear case. This is how I like to showcase the color of my iPhones with the Casetify clear case. Let's take it to the website. Now this one is going to run you $72. Now you can get it plain clear, or you can customize it. Let's go through the product features real quick. Now this one is optimized to prevent yellowing, long-lasting clarity, military standard 81OG certified, 6.6 feet drop protection, and made from 65% recycled plant-based materials. Okay, so this case is crystal clear. Again, showcase that beautiful color of your iPhone. Yellow be gone, okay? Yellow is not mellow when it comes to clear cases. Now, one of the most important things that you got to remember when you're buying a clear case is that if you buy the cheap cases, they're going to turn yellow. Okay, with the Casetify cases, you're not going to have that problem, and I'm going to prove it. Okay, sleek, meek, strong, still getting maximum protection, responsible and recycled, and they're going to work with all of your MagSafe accessories. Now, one quick side note, the magnet on these cases is super strong. Check this out. Let's grab one of these MagSafe accessories, slap it on the back, no flappage. Same thing. Let's grab another one. No flappage. Okay. Now, this is the case right here that I've been using for the last couple of months in my personal life. Matter of fact, let me show you something. Let me pull out my iPad one more time. Let's take it over to Instagram. Okay. Now, this is a photo from me in the gym. You see what case I'm rocking? Another photo in the gym. Zoom in. You see that classic Casetify logo around the camera? These are the cases that I use in the real world. Let's take a look at this one. Now, here's how it's going to come. Okay. Right. Flick of the wrist. Beautiful clear case. Now, of course, you got that iconic branding around the camera ring to let everybody know that you got a real case. Okay. MagSafe compatible. Buttons, cutouts, buttons, cutouts. Now, this one is brand new. Okay. I just took it out the plastic. Now, I'm going to pop off the one that I actually been using, just so you can see the level of wear and tear. Look at this. No yellowing at all. Okay, now, of course, you're going to see a few scratches and all that because this case been dropped in the gym, been dropped everywhere. But most importantly, no yellowing. Still looks like the brand new one I just opened up. Now we're going to do a little challenge. All right, so we're going to call this one the Clear Case Challenge. Here's what I'm going to do. Now, I got two brand new Apple clear cases, $50 a piece, and two brand new Casetify clear cases, $72 a piece. Now, I'm going to let these sit in red wine and coffee for 12 hours. Now, after the 12 hours, we're going to pull them out and see which one looks better. All right, here we go. So we got some red wine. Going to fill that up. Okay. And we got some black coffee. Going to fill that up. Okay. Looks good. Okay. Now, let's open brand new Casetify case. Okay, I'm doing this in real time, so y'all know there's no funny business. We're going to drop this right in the coffee. It's going to fill this all the way up. Okay, there it is. And let's drop a brand new Apple case. Okay, brand new. Gonna drop it right in. Okay, now for the red wine, let's make sure we got enough in here. Actually smells delicious. Brand new Casetify case. Okay. Drop it right in there. And brand new Apple case. Now I'm doing this in the name of science. Okay, just like that. Okay, so let's see what time it is. It's almost 2:00 p.m. So we'll be back in 12 hours, and we're going to see which case looks better after the Clear Case Challenge. All right, so it's almost 2:00 in the morning, so it's officially been 12 hours. So now let's see how the case is held up. Now, on a side note, this is just for demonstration purposes only. In the real world, nobody's going to leave their phone in red wine or coffee for 12 hours. But we just want to see the quality of these cases. All right, so let's start off with the coffee. Here's the Apple case. Okay, let's go ahead and dry it up. Okay, now, this case is definitely showing signs of yellowing. I'm going to get a full dry. Okay. Let me see. Is it better with the light? Now, it's too bright. You could clearly see the yellowing, though. Okay, now let me really wipe it down, just so we can be fair. Yeah. This case has turned colors. Clearly. Oh, on the white background, you could even see it more. Now, let's see the Casetify case. Okay. Let's go ahead and wipe this one down on camera. No switcheroos. And look at this. I want to make sure it's completely dry. This case looks brand new. Now I'm going to put it on a white background. Look at the difference. Wow. $50 versus $72. Look at the difference. This is clear as day. All right, so we're going to leave those right there. I'll back up a little bit. Okay, so now let's try let me get another tissue. All right, so now let's try the red wine. Here's the apple case. Okay, let's go ahead and dry it up. Okay, now this one looks like it's changed also. Get it completely dry. Okay, put it on the white paper. You can see for yourself. Okay, the color has definitely changed. Here's how it looks on the white paper. Now for the Casetify case. Okay, let's go ahead and wipe this one down. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's completely dry. Put it on the white paper. Look at the difference in the clarity. This is unbelievable. Okay, both of the Casetify cases still are crystal clear. Apple cases, both of them have turned colors. Now, I already knew that was going to be the results because I use these cases, like I said earlier, in real life. This is my most used case, and it still looks brand new. Let that sink in. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up. All right, so I waited a few extra minutes to let the cases fully dry off, and as you see for yourself, the Casetify cases are crystal clear. The Apple cases have changed colors. So for everybody asking, are Casetify cases really worth it? The proof is in the pudding. This is the textbook definition of quality over quantity. Now again, this was just for demonstration purposes, but if these cases can survive red wine and coffee, they can definitely survive your backpack, your gym bag, the backseat of your car, wherever you throw it, these cases are not going to turn yellow. All right, so this is the Casetify clear case. You still got that iconic Casetify branding, extra protection, extra strong MagSafe magnets, but most importantly, the cases will not turn yellow. Anyway, this is the Casetify clear case. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat once a night. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock wanted to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.